In today's lecture, we will discuss about the one of the most important class of fungi, which is Ascomycetes. As in previous lecture, we have discussed that fungi is classified on the basis of the mycelium. If the mycelium is aseptate, then these are known as the lower fungi, and if the mycelium is septate, then these are known as the higher fungi. And we have also discussed that lower and higher fungi are further classified into Mastigomycetes, Zygomycetes, Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes, and Deuteriomycetes. In today's lecture, we will discuss one of the higher fungi in which mycelium is septate, that is the Ascomycetes. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the general characteristics of Ascomycetes. Ascomycetes, if we go for the habitat, then you can see that Ascomycetes are mostly terrestrial in nature, and they are also parasitic. Their mode of nutrition, they basically reside on the other host for their mode of nutrition or for their food. And their mycelium, as I have discussed, they could be unicellular or multicellular fungi. They can be present as a single cell, or they can be present in the form of multicellular fungi. As I have discussed earlier, that the Ascomycetes is basically classified on the basis of mycelium, which is septate, and they also have the bright hyphae. Another important characteristic of fungi is the cell wall, which is made up of chitin. So in Ascomycetes, cell wall is also made up of chitin. And as we have discussed that their mycelium is the septate and bright hyphae. So but there is also cytoplasmic continuity. That continuity is possible because of the septal pores which are present within these septals or these bright hyphae. If we go for the asexual reproduction, then asexual reproduction is basically by the formation of conidia, which could form exogenously on conidiophore. And yeast basically reproduces asexually by the process of budding. While if we go for the sexual reproduction, the sexual reproduction is by the conjugation between two gametangia. So the fruiting body is also present within the Ascomycetes, and that fruiting body is known as the ascocarp. There are 4 different types of fruiting bodies which are present in Ascomycetes. First is the Ꞵ-glucans. That fruiting body is basically spherical and remains tightly closed, and its example is Aspergillus. This figure is showing the fruiting body which is of Ꞵ-glucans. Second type of fruiting body is the perithecium. In this case, as you can see from the figure, that in this case fruiting body is like a flask shaped, and it also has an external opening. Neurospora is its example. Third type of fruiting body is the apothecium, in which cup shaped fruiting body is present, and asci present in the hymeneum, and pizziza is its example. Fourth and last type of fruiting body is the ascotroma, which is present in Ascomycetes, and the specific type of this type of ascocarp is that there is no differentiating fruiting body which is present in ascotroma, and asci are present basically within the stroma, and mycocephala is its example. Here you can see that these asci are present within the stroma. So in this lecture we have discussed about the general characteristics of the Ascomycetes and then the fruiting body or ascocarp, and in future lecture we will discuss about their mode of reproduction as well as their economic importance. Thank you.